everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my vegan sweet potato burger. And I already chopped and sliced all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using or needed on my sweet potato burger. And this sweet potato, I just put in oven to 400 degree and cook for 40 and 45 minutes. So all the ingredients will be in the description box if you'd love to try this vegan burger. This easy homemade sweet potato is delicious and healthy plant-based meal that is packed with protein. So let's go ahead and start. First, in a food processor or in your blender, blend oats until they are fine powder. Once you're done, remove and set aside. And add black beans, cilantro, onion, and carrots, and pulse for 10 seconds. And once you're done with your black beans, transfer the mixture into a bowl and add your sweet potato and nutritional yeast and pause for another 15 seconds until semi-smooth. Once you're done with the sweet potato, transfer it into a bowl with the mixture black beans and add black pepper, salt, and slowly pour the ground oats, breadcrumbs, and mix with wood spatula until the ingredients are well incorporated. And add your turmeric powder, cayenne pepper, and mix it well. Adjust seasonings and additional salt and pepper if necessary. Now it's time to make patties. Use your hands to form 4 even patties about 1/2 inch thick, and you will need to compact them with your hands so they will stick together well. And then place on a plate, cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the patties is ready, add sesame oil or coconut oil to a non-stick skillet or griddle and place over medium heat. Add each burger to the skillet and cook for about 2 to 4 minutes each side until golden brown. And cook the rest of your burger patties. Then once everything's have cooked, let's build our burger. So prepare your burger buns with mustard, ketchup, vegan mayo, and for the vegetable toppings, I use avocado, tomato, lettuce, and cucumber. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this vegan sweet potato burger. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and please don't forget that bell notification so you will be notified every time I put out a new video.